In this video, you'll learn how to change your default availability in Calendly. By following these steps, you will successfully update your preferred working hours. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar. Here you will find various options related to your account settings and management. Click on the option labeled Availability to access your current schedule. Upon clicking Availability, you will see your existing availability schedule displayed. This may be labeled as working hours or a custom name you have set. To edit your default schedule, click on the name of the schedule you wish to modify. This will open up the editing interface for your availability. In the editing interface, you will need to select the day of the week you want to adjust, such as Monday or Tuesday. For each selected day, set your start time and end time according to your preferred working hours. If you have multiple time ranges for a single day, you can add those as well. Additionally, you can toggle days on or off depending on your availability. For example, you might set Monday's hours to 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. while marking Tuesday as off. After making the necessary change to your schedule, locate the Save Changes button, which is usually found at the bottom of the editing interface. Click this button to confirm and save your updated default availability. This new schedule will now be used as the default for all your event types going forward. If you notice that your meetings still reflect the old hours after making these changes, you will need to apply the updated schedule to your events. To do this, navigate to the scheduling section. Here, click Edit on the specific event that needs updating. Then open the availability settings and select your newly updated schedule. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.